आज हम इस पुराने और खास्ता हाल घर को गिराकर इस जगह एक शानदार लग्जरी ड्रीम विला तमीर करेंगे। फाउंडेशन से लेकर फाइनल।
So we'll reinforce this section first, then move to the roof. The new structure will be much safer, and you'll have more light in the main room.
Stack the rebar over there by the mixer. We need that cement unloaded now.
All right, push it harder right there. We need that section down now.
What's the reading on the depth?
We need another meter down on this side. Bring it back this way.
Hold the flow steady. Watch the level on the far end.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the rebar. Hold it steady right there. I'm securing the bolt.
Pull another 10 feet of the red wire. Securing this conduit now. Ready for the multimeter test.
Pressure test initiating. Holding steady on the manifold. No leaks here. Looks good from this side too.
Make sure the soil is level over here. I'm adjusting the sprinkler head now. It should be done in a minute.